Let me tell you why I'm begging 2 minutes. I know we're going to read this. However, let me give it to you. This is East Rural, St. Andrew. Mount Fletcher Primary School Computer Lab, Clark Street Concrete Road, Bull Bay Block Factory Build, Dublin Castle Concrete Road and Asphalt Road, Mount Charles Flooding Infrastructure, Savage Pen Concrete Road, Poppy into Hollywell Highway, David Hill Concrete Road, Guava Ridge to Content, and then to Mount Lebanon, Road, Griffin Gully Bridge, yes, Bermuda Mount Road, Virgin Gully Bridge, replacement of that bridge, Dallas Castle Road, George River Bridge improvement, Mars Drive in Harborview, Scotland Heights, Clydesdale Water System, Content Gap to Top Mountain, Water System, Freetown, Cane River Road, Catchment and Water System, Jacks Hill Road, Maryland, Water System, yes, Dublin Castle, Water System, Claremont Road, Gardentown Road, Belclure Lodge, including the breakaway, Passion Gardens, major breakaways of Gardentown, Tone, Greenville, all being repaired by this member of parliament. Yes, source thousands of tablets, Flamstead Farm Road, several work done in Tower Hill Lime Tree. Yes, scholarships on top of scholarships, Pepper Ward dinners on top of Pepper Ward dinners. I don't want to hear them. When we introduced what was called Agri-Hope, this was hope for our farmers. The first time ever big strawberry project for the farmers and Chinese winter vegetable project for our farmers. We produce more Irish potato than anywhere in Jamaica because we invested in our farmers, for our young people, for our youth, chicken projects so they can come together and build their business and teach their business. Yes, Jackwood Water System, done. Industry Village breakaway, fix. Bridge from Penfield to Sugarloaf, 3 bridge needed. We promise that we will do 1 bridge a term. First bridge done, 2nd bridge done, 3rd bridge loading. So labor rights, when you hear the rumors and the foolish talk, don't spread it. You go out there, you find the information, and you go and preach the gospel of Jamaica and choosing Jamaica. We are the only party that will make Jamaica better and better. We are going forward. We want prosperity. We want a better Jamaica. We want to ensure that we can live, raise our families, and retire and relax here in peace. Labor rights. When Andrew Michael, Dr. Brogard Holness, call the next election, don't tell me that him win already. Can we hear that? Don't tell me so we win already. The way to win is for everyone to get up on election morning. If rain fall, ignore it. If the sun hot, ignore it. Get up and get your ballot in the box. Put your ballot in the box for the Jamaica Labour Party. Showers of blessings, labor rights. Showers of blessings. For better communities. Choose Jamaica for our prosperity. Choose Jamaica, this is what it really means. Choose Jamaica, choose JLP.
You know, labor rights, I want to tell you that there is nothing wrong with Jamaica. Jamaica is moving. The only thing that will be wrong for Jamaica is the PNP. And so tonight, Area Council 1 is showing to party leader where we stand. And we have said to him what we want. But only he knows. Labor rights, let's welcome now the Member of Parliament for West Central, St. Andrew, leader of the great Jamaica Labour Party, Prime Minister for 1 term, Prime Minister for 2 terms, Prime Minister for the 3rd term, Andrew Holness.
So are labor rights. So are labor rights.